Today's video, I'm going to show you how I've been able to generate this amount of money by selling 7 products. I'm going to show you how you can do that using this platform called Selar. So this platform Selar is actually going to enable you sell your digital products online super fast. You don't need to worry about payment gateways because they are going to help you collect payment gateways, collect payments and then send to your bank account. So you don't need to worry about a lot of things. The only thing you need to worry about is how you are going to market the product, which is exactly what I'm also going to talk about on the channel on this video. How you can actually market your digital product to start making sales. Now, one thing I love about this platform is with a free account you can get started, so you don't need to have a paid account. But later on, in fact, me myself, I've not actually upgraded to any paid account. I'm still using the free account, and you can actually sell up to 40 products. So very nice. So let's continue. So like I said, I'm going to show you exactly how I've been able to generate this amount of income with 7 sales. So now somebody might ask, what are the kind of products, what type of product did I sell, or what are the type of product that I sell to make this amount of money for myself? Well, I sold a few products, and one of the don't forget, I've actually been able to withdraw most money from this platform. This is just what I have left on the platform. So the product I sold on this platform are this. So I sold a web design extension plugin and some of my web development services. Okay, so that means I sold digital products that I actually know very well, which are my work, right? I create websites for people and I help them set up their website and the likes of them. So that now brings me to this other option that says you need to sell what you know, right? You need to be able to sell what you know. So if you don't have a digital skill, why don't you first of all go and learn a digital skill? You can't be selling something you don't even know that works for you, right? So you need to go and learn a skill: digital marketing, website development, UI UX design, SEO marketing, social media marketing. A lot of digital skills are available for you to learn. Why don't you learn it first, build your audience, and then sell? Or technically, you learn this products, you learn this skill, and then you sell your services to these platforms, and you start marketing your services. Okay, so that's exactly one of the best ways to make money. Don't follow some people who tell you just go to this place, go pick this product and sell. Well, it doesn't actually, it's not that very easy, right? It works, but it's not very easy like the way some people make it sound. So that's why I'm always advocating that you learn a skill first and then you sell your services to people that are interested. And how can you sell these services? You sell these services from social media, right? You have social media accounts: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Go ahead, make a post about what you do, and from there, you're not going to do this. You can't do this thing overnight and decide and want to get paid. Do you know what? This is when I started this. I've been learning how to create a website, doing website stuff for a long time. So me telling you this, I know it doesn't work overnight. So that's exactly why I'm going to motivate you to learn this thing and try and do it, and it's going to work eventually. It's not going to take so long, but once you are dedicated, it actually works, right? So now, if you don't want to go through this method, if you want to start selling something as quick as possible, then you go through the method of PLR, which is you selling PLR products, right? Now, what are PLR? PLR are private label resale rights. Okay, they actually allow you to sell their products for free. You can download their products for free, especially if you have a free account and you sell the product yourself. Now, some of these things it's not even that easy, right? So these are one of the trending products that you can find, which actually talks about SEO, search engine optimization. So for instance, this let's say this particular ebook, let me just show you one. Now, it's not only ebook, right? You can actually get videos, softwares, ebooks, so many things. I'm just using ebook for example, but you can actually get videos or softwares. People are interested in softwares, right? Let me even go to softwares, because I know people are actually interested in some softwares that are actually going to solve them some problems, especially some AI softwares and the likes. So let me just say it's ebook, right? Advanced SEO technique. Something like this ebook actually will sell, right? I'm going to show you how you can actually market something like this, because there's a technique for it, and you don't just go ahead, download it, and just want to go and start selling. You don't even want to learn how to do it very well. That is going to help. because you need to be care, you need to be also be considerate for people that is going to buy it. Okay, you need to make sure it actually solves a particular problem for them, not just you selling, but it's actually going to solve something. So you can actually download these PLR products for free. Now most of people that will buy this thing don't even know that these platforms exist, but I'm actually bringing it to you guys. So if you want to know the platform, the name of the platform is freeplrdownloads.com. So freeplrdownloads.com, you take you here and you can get all these things. So if you download this software now, this ebook, as you can see, it has 43 pages, and then you can actually sell it. Okay, you can actually sell it and keep 100% of the profits. So once you download this ebook, now you can come over to this Selar website. This Sellar website, if you go to the dashboard, as you can see, I already have 12 products, but in your case you're going to have nothing. But if you have created your account and sign up and everything, your account is going to be like this. Then you can come over to this section, come over to products, and then you go ahead to add a product. Now once you've added your products, of course you want to select digital products. Once you've added your product, because they are going to give you so this is exactly where you are going to upload the information about the product. Okay, so you enter the name here, the price. So in this case, right, there's two things, right? So you have NGN price and USD. Now depending on the currency you want to sell on, you can actually select the currency here, but me personally, I like to use USD because I mean it's a lot better and a lot of people understand it more, especially if you're trying to sell to people that are not Nigeria and other countries. So use the currency that you have available. So there's a lot of currencies, okay, but me, I chose USD, but you can actually use any currency you want. Okay, Seller actually allows you to do that, so that's one thing I love about the platform. Then you enter all of the information here, and then they are going to ask you to actually upload the downloadable product. And remember, right here you have downloaded the product. Okay, so now you're going to upload that product that we downloaded from here. This PLR product that we downloaded here, we're going to upload it here. Now uploading it here means now that people can actually come over, and after they make payment and everything, Seller is going to allow them the access to download the product, which is exactly what we're looking for, right? So if you have entered all of the details about the product right here, then the next thing you're going to do is when you go to your products tab, you're going to see the product. I want to show you how to find the product. So if I go to product, all products here, I'm going to see the product I am looking for. So let's say this is the product right now. If I want to see the product, I'm just going to come over here, and then I'm going to see this public link. Once I open this public link, and we're going to see the product page. Now this is the product page. This is the link you're going to copy now, and this is the link you're going to promote. So they can actually buy the, as you can see, if they click on buy now, they can actually buy and check out the products. Very, very simple. And once they click on checkout, they're going to enter all of their details. Very, very simple. That's what Seller actually do for you. Now once they are paid, and they are, once payment have been made and everything, they're going to receive the products immediately after they make payment and they have gone through all the process. So they're going to receive that product. Now the next step you want to ask me is, how can you market that? How can you market the products, right? Remember earlier in this video I told you need to use everything available to you, like your social media, your Instagram, your blogs and the like. So one popular platform where you can market things is forums. Again, you can actually make use of forums like Naira Land, and you can also use, let me show you this one. This is Quora.com. This platform, actually, people are asking questions here on the platform, and you need to answer questions that are related to your product. So for instance, let's say my product is talking about SEO, right? So I can come here and search for SEO tools, right? Let's say the ebook we have is actually talking about SEO. So there's a lot of as you can see, you see answers that are related to our products. But okay, this is it. This question was posted few hours ago, 7 hours ago, as you can see here. We need to find questions that this is something you take time to do, right? It's not very very simple as I'm showing it on the screen right now, but we're going to take time to do it. So look for questions that are related to that particular ebook, right? And then see when the question was posted, see how many people is following the question, then you go ahead to answer it and then include the link to buy that product. These are one of the ways people actually make sales. So you're going to look for trending questions, right? Spend time on this platform, Quora. I'm not doing justice to it, but I want to spend time on this platform, get questions that are related to the product you're trying to sell, and then you answer questions there and insert your products buy link. Okay, that way people will see the question, see your answers. If they like it, they can go ahead to buy from you. Now that is using this platform called Quora. So go ahead, sign up to this platform, Quora.com. Another good one is by using this platform called Medium. With Medium, you can create contents that will rank on Google for free. So Medium actually allows you to create content for free. Now you're going to create content around that particular product you are trying to sell, right? I'm trying to open the link, but I think it's taking a lot of time to load. So you're going to be answering questions or be creating questions that are around that particular product you are trying to sell. So this was uploaded 3 days ago and it already has 335 claps. That is more than 335 views, people that like something like this. So you're going to look for ones that are related to yours and then you write, and from there they can rank and you can start getting visibility. This thing will actually take some time, not a get rich quick kind of stuff, not something that will happen immediate. So I've actually showed you how to market these things now, and then you can make use of your social media, post about it, promote it. If you have some little budget to spend, do ads on TikTok, ads with it, and it's going to reach more people and people are going to find it interesting and they can buy from you. So these things are things that work. So remember, all the things I've showed you in this video are practical steps, not something that I just formulate, are things that actually work for people. So go and look for the one that work for you and try to use it. I'm only going to bring the information to you. You have the obligation to do your own due diligence and try to practicalize it and make sure one or two ways works for you and you start enjoying the process. So I've actually done my part. It's left for you now to go do your part. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Please make sure to sign up on the platform Selar and then start utilizing the opportunities that is available for you. So thank you very much for watching this video. I believe it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you very much.